So today I'll teach you how to use emojis using if formula if your condition is true or false. So all you need to do is enter the if formula equals to if and select the value. So if this cell is greater than or equal to 10,000, all we need to do is smile. So we need to press Windows and dot. We can get the list of emojis. So I just want to smile. Then you can enter the else condition. If this value does not meet or is less than 10,000, then again you can press Windows and dot, and you can enter this. Then press enter. Here you can see the icon, and you can just click on the corner. It will fill all the values. So this is how you can create using emojis.